or fix a flat, if you get a nail in it, what you're gonna do, you need a plug repair kit. You can get it at Walmart for like $5. It's gonna come with this little dude, and this lets you ream out the tire, the hole. So you're gonna remove the nail, pull it out with a pair of pliers or whatever. Use this tool if you can. That's what I just did. You're going to push this tool, and it won't be that easy, into the hole that was made. Back and forth motion until it smoothly pulls in and out. Yeah. The other portion, you got these plugs and your plug tool. Oh, let's see. You're going to take one of the plugs out. You're going to put it through the plug tool. Pull it halfway through. Okay, if you got some tire glue, use it. Most of these kits will come with it. I usually don't use it. I've never had a problem without using it personally, and I've put probably 100 of these in just in time, plugging different tires. But pull it out, and you're going to push that plug down. You're going to have to get on it until about a ½ inch is still sticking out. Pull your tool out. Boom. You've plugged the tire. Take you a razor, knife, whatever you got. Trim off the excess. Take you some soapy water. Check for leaks, and you have successfully plugged a tire. Put it back on.